You joking me?
Yeah, I'm joking you.
Put it, मेरा भाई. Simple. Simply and simple. Sure. You just have to put it from the back side. Arey, aja. Okay, good. It's simple. You're just doing it because I turned on the camera, man. Is it?
Yes, simple.
It's simple. Say something.
Go, go.
Go, go. You don't want camera?
T'es con, toi, je pars quand même.
Mamie.
Nami.
Con, tu meuf.
Papa. Aja. Oops. Crazy. Aja.
Because he's wearing
Thank you, Ji.
a green one.
I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. Follow you. I'm gonna follow you. Everywhere. I will follow you everywhere. I am also coming. I'm also coming. Okay, stop it. Yeah.
Let's go! Carca!
To the car.
He's coming, mon lapin. Tu lui as demandé? Il a dit quoi? Il a dit c'est naze comme option, non? On peut pas prendre ton tracteur à Carca, mon car.
Oui. Oui.
Demande à vie.
Oui. I told you it's not for there because it's too big.
Attention, pousse
Your
je
hand.
ferme.
We will take it next time somewhere else.
From the back of your arm, mon lapin.
Yeah.
Look, mon poussin! Assieds-toi.
You see it, mera bhai? What's going on? Huh?
Attends, the boat is coming.
Boat is going there, see?
And it's called le boat.
La boat, oh yeah. See? And she's the one who's doing it. She's the captain right now
This is
there.
fucking cool boat.
Yeah. You see
You
more
film
coming?
them,
Huh? Yeah, I filmed them. You see the
Tu fais
boats?
coucou aux gens qui sont sur le bateau? Tu veux leur faire coucou?
You want to say hello to them? Hello.
coucou.
They already said hello when you were coming out. See, they said
Fais
hello to you. No. You funny.
Nice outings if people are just taking a boat and go. I'm sure they can be renting.
I also can be actually. It look like it's their own.
Yeah, it's their own, but I'm sure. See how many there are? You see it over there?
Oh yeah, it's a full lineup there. भाई लोगों हम कार के साथ आए थे भैया जी को आज आउटिंग करनी थी तो हमने कहा भाई घर से निकल के टूलू जाते हैं तो क्यों ना हम भाई आज कार के साथ ना जाएं How you know?
It's written. I love it. It's so cute.
So we can also have it, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay bhai, next time we can come and rent the whole boat. You have money for it? Money. It's nice. We can have fun.
Nice. Yeah, we should check if there is Airbnb in that
yeah.
we can rent a full boat and sleep in a boat.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool?
Why not? What do you say, Tamis?
A hippie.
My predomi
What you doing?
the battles.
Yeah.
You want to sleep in a battle?
On top of the boat, you want to sleep.
We will check it out. चलो भाई लेट्स गो अंदर कार के साथ ये कह रहा था भाई कार के साथ आए थे हम भैया जी को बाहर आउटिंग करनी थी हमने कहा भाई टूलू जा के बोर हो गए हैं तो कार के साथ चलते हैं आज कार के साथ में मिड एक
Viens, on rentre dans la voiture. Hein?
What city they have? I forgot. Medieval city, yeah.
Medieval city.
They have a medieval city.
Where's Timis? Where's there?
Yeah, no, he's there. Okay, चलो भाई लोगों आगे मिलते हैं.
The road is so.
Sebo. What about you? Is it good for you? Go now. Go. I will wait for you. You're too close to me. It's useless shot.
In winter, the fountain is completely frozen and it's ice. And people are ice skating here. Winter. This is also weird combination when you are in a restaurant. They give you in a glass with ice.
When the pizza and the burger selling together, the place is not very good normally.
I'm helping you because chocolate you're gonna have everywhere else. Ouais, sweet on the camera.
For that you have to go on a slow motion. Come here. Yeah. Go to the camera, like this. See, I will show you. See, like this, Themis. Oh, she got so scared. Because the car just came next door, she yelled. Now it's recording. Let's go. See, Mama. We're gonna throw it, Mama. Ooh. Like this. Mental. Mental. ये देख, Themis, ये देख, look up. It's good. Now you can go back. It's because the slow motion will be next level long videos.